Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. So in this video, we are going to see about Ansible handlers. So what is handler? Handler is basically you can use it for like one another task is completed, you can ask it to execute. If that particular task is not executed, then under the handler, whatever you task as specified, those tasks will not be executed. So that's what handler will do. Basically it will going to notify your things. So here I have one of the YAML script. Using this script I'm going to show the demo. So in my case, let's remove this. So in my case, I have the file name. So this is the script name which I'm going to mention it as a handlers, and I'm going to execute it on all the machines, and it's going to execute as a root user. So in the first one, I specified like so I have to copy the file from etc ansible hello.txt, whatever it is there. So it need to be copied to under this directory in hello.txt. So this is what need to be done. So once this is copied, then only this need to be notified, which means restart the HTTPD. So you can specify like under the handlers. So here this is the syntax. The syntax will be like this. So usually we will have the Ansible playbook. Only we have task. Under this we have the task, one or two, three tasks we have. When coming to handler, you have to give under the same line of task, you have to mention handlers. So in this handlers, you can mention the task details, whatever need to execute. So those task details you can mention here to notify, which means this task, whenever execution is done, then only under the task whatever you have mentioned under the handlers it will be get executed. So let's see how it will work. So for this I have a ansible master machine, and I have two slave machines in my setup. So coming to our concept, we have like a files called hello.txt. So in the hello.txt I have a content called hello world. So here also I have under the opt I have a file called hello.txt, which I have already copied and I have created. So same for the slave machine 2, we have hello.txt. So coming to this, our handlers, let's see how it will work. So here I don't have any difference. So let's edit this hello.txt file. Once I edited, let's I do some modification. Hello world DevOps. So this is my content which I have edited. Now I'm going to execute my Ansible playbook. Let's see handler how it will work. You can see here. So for that Ansible playbook, -I, host is my host details, and my playbook which is under handlers. So in handlers.yaml, I have the script of this content. So let's execute this one. So once it is executed, you can see first it gathered the fact, and then it ensure the file is copied, which means our file need to be copied. Once the file is copied, then it is running like a content of running handler. Under this handler, you can see so handler is getting triggered, and once it got triggered, then we have a restart of HTTPD, which have done already. Okay, so when let's see here, you can see that we have changes of the content here. So here I don't now I in my hello.txt I don't have any modification. So again I'm going to run. Let's see what happened here. So now handler is not running, which means I did not change done any changes in my task file. So it did not done anything. and it just done the copy of the same thing which is available in my first and second slave machine. So it did not run my handlers. So whenever I do changes on my hello.txt file, and whenever the Ansible playbook started running, it will notify my handler to run other tasks as well. So like this, handlers will work. I hope you understand about the handler. So the simple way of example is whenever this task is success or done anything on ensuring the task, that will notify the another task whatever you have mentioned here. So according to that, the handlers will work. I hope this simple script gave me some good example. You got some clarity and about handlers. I hope you got some clarity. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. And thanks for watching.